Hello friends, here I am introducing a software called artrage. Using this artrage painting software, I am drawing a very simple illustration. Using paint bucket, I am selecting gradient color. For that, you have to select the settings and go to this in the select the gradient option and select the color. Here I am using a yellow and orange mixing background. For that I am selecting two colors and click OK. After selecting that, you have to paint on the layer. Next, here I am using laser tool for a mounted setup. Using laser tool, we draw very easily um, illustrations and all. Here you see that I am trying to draw and mountain setup using illustration. It's very simple to use this software, and we can draw all kind of images in this, and we can also have to layer by layer exporting using to the Photoshop and everything. Mostly I am using this software for uh, drawing characters for 2D animations and all. Now see, I am drawn an mountain setup. Now we have to given background, you have to given color. For that, select the paint button, paint tool, and you have to change to gradient to normal, and I am selecting in brown color image background, and giving to background to the new layer. It's very easy, and while drawing paintings, we have to use the new layers for drawing new paintings. If anything get wrong, also you have to change the layer. Also we able to add a particular effects on layers and all. Here I show some simple techniques and effects we have give we have give to that painting while drawing. It's very simple thing. While using this software, uh, we can draw all kind of images, and the output come from this software is the quality of the image is very very high, so you can use it as whatever purposes as we. And while selecting a new painting, we have to we have add we are able to add pixel ratings and all, so you can draw um, A4 to all kind of high range of pixel images, but we have to check whether our computer is able to draw such big for images with high pixel rate. Now I am drawing a medium range for pixels. I can show how quality the image is coming out. Now I am drawing with the using laser tool a shadow image to that mountain. It's coming out really nice. I think so. It's very simple. Using the paint bucket, I'm also adding the photos color to that particular lasso point. Let's see. Now I am using the circle lasso to for drawing a background sun image. uh, Now see, I am drawn a circle. Now give click the paint tool and click an yellow color, select an yellow color, and I am using here. I am little here. You have the option of adding a metallic um, color output using the metallic selection. But now reduce the metallic, it's not needed much, so reduce normal while using metallic, which it the photo get uh, more colorful and all. But you have to, we are drawing an illustration, so you not need much coloring techniques and all. Now, select this. Sun looks very nice, and now I am drawing using the normal pen tool in that lasso a cloud output. For that we can draw a cloud lasso. Here in this software we also have option for selecting uh, not many more kinds of brushes, many more types of brushes. Here see, in preset we have um, type the brushes cloud is particularly used for cloud like the texture, but I am not using I'm using this. I'm using that cloud tester, but in very high percentage, and trying to try a photo. Yeah, there now the cloud has come. Not much good, but it's okay. We can add some effects into it, so it can come out very well. Now I am show this cloud. You see, it's not much, not not uh, uh, not matching for that image, so giving, not going to change this, but I am giving some effects using layer effects. Using layer effects we can, there are a lot of options available. Using the blow tool, cutout tool, we can uh, enhance the painting. uh, Also we now that drawing is not good, but so I am going to enhance or giving a blend mode for that. I'm not going to blending that, and I'm trying to give effects using the layer effects technique. Now see, the it's a type of cutout background background shadow type image. I'm trying to use a glow background, the effect, glow effect to that image. Now see, it's not it's good, but not need much brightness. So we check opacity. I'm not at all satisfying that effect, so I'm trying to give blend mode in that. We not need much brightness to that cloud image, but, so we have to check. So once again I am going to layer effects, and using the glow effect and giving a darker glowish to that image. Now I am using the same glow layer effect to that sun also. Now we see the glow sun is a little bit glowy than before. It's not looking nice now. I'm not at all satisfied in that um, cloud effects. So I'm trying to change the image effect using the blending mode. Now using watercolor, if watercolor layer is looking good, but I change using another. Yeah, now see, it's looking good. I turn on the effects once again and reduce the radius of the glowing effect. Now it's looking very good, and now it's okay. See, now we draw an um, using the same lasso tool and drawing another mountain image on front of the on on an, on a black shadow. But now see, is is looking very good. Now we draw a small man image on the top of that mountain. Now also I am using the same lasso tool for drawing a man image. Let's see how it's come out. Drawing a small man like post scene on the top of that mountain. Let's see. I am using the paint bucket to add in that color. Yeah, now see, I added. Now I am clearing that. Let's separate. Yeah, it's now little bit looking like it. Man, will not see. Um, see, we have draw here also an image of an human here. Let's try something new in this. While using lasso, you have to cross check whether the lasso tool is applied on some any other layers, or you have to before painting you have to check that out. Now I am drawing an image and using the same paint to bucket to add the color to it. Now see, let's try a brush tool to paint this. Using brush tool, yeah, we, we can see that paint not at all in this position, so I draw using brush, but using a wet brush for painting that. Also okay. Let's now we not we need much more addings to. We have to add little more adding to this painting. Let's see. Let's draw some tree image using. We don't worry to, yeah, it's very easy to draw a tree image, but I am using here by here I have the settings called. You have the settings to preset settings of image for the paintings and all. You see, that tree is available. Let's apply a given high percentage tree. Yeah, it's come not at all good to see. Let's draw a little bit smaller image. Now see, a tree has come, but I am not interested in this tree. We try another image, another pen. Yeah, now I draw a pine tree in this. Now see, it's not small, so I have to increase that percentages of painting. Now it's 350. Now I drawing. Yeah, it's still come out very good. The color, so I changing. I have lot of trees in this image. So okay, it's just I have a future. In future, I will draw more pictures in this artrage, and how I am also adding the tutorial how I am drawing images in the characters in this artrage and export to the animation software and doing a character animation very easily. Let's see, in future I will add some videos about character animation using this artrage as the in all animation softwares. There is lot of painting brushes available in when you see Blender. You have in 2D animation you have a grease pencil for drawing images, but it's little bit tough for a uh, new come to that software. Yeah, the layers we have lot of doubts about how it's come out, and so it's easy to draw in some other painting, like a lot of paint softwares available. I mostly use Krita. It's an open source and free software. It's yeah, the image come out from Krita is okay, is good now. Also a lot of animation option and available in Kritas too. Now I am using Blender and Moho for animation and all. Now see, I am gave a effects to that for image background image, a glowish yellow effect to that pine trees, and now see it's looking good, I think so. Let's give some shadow type image to that mounted too. Yeah, but this image in the background, the shadow is we have to in images we have to add the direction of where this shadow have to go, but in this image I am not going to add the shadow and all. Now it's okay for now. The video is going too lengthy. Let's in next video I can I add images, how to draw images very easily. uh, I like to draw characters and all. For them I show in future how my how I drawing characters in the artwork and exporting for exporting to Blender and all. Now I am saving these images, exporting these images to the PSD format. For that, add PSD, and I am adding a file name and saving this. Okay, friends. For this now, I am it's an introductory video to for me to YouTube and recording and all. So Sorry for my English pronunciation, everything. And in future, I will use some voice translation software for recording.